Hey guys, this is Suryanshu, and in this video we'll be installing some themes and plugins on our WordPress website. So let's get right into it. If you are confused with any of the terms which I just said, don't be, because I'll be explaining everything in this video, so make sure you watch it out completely. And while we are on it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about the upcoming videos. So starting off with the themes, simply click on appearance and inside you will find the theme option. You can see we have a couple of themes pre-installed, but we are not going to use this, so simply click on add new. You can see there are plenty of themes available for WordPress. As you can see, there are themes for fitness, themes for business, for e-commerce. Let me just show you something really cool. If you click on filters, you can see there are themes for blog, e-commerce, but we'll be using a theme called Ocean WP because it comes with a lot of customization options, and all of these options are available for free. So we'll be just installing this particular theme. So the theme is now installed, and as you can see, it is asking us for a particular plugin. So basically a plugin adds a custom functionality to our website. So let me just install this particular plugin and I will tell you more about the plugins in a minute. If you see such errors, simply ignore them because we are using localhost, so you might encounter such errors. So just ignore and go to plugins and add new. As I said earlier, plugins provide some extra functionality to a WordPress website. It's also written here that plugin extend and expand the functionality of WordPress. So for example, WordPress doesn't have native forms, so if you want to have a contact form on your website, you have to search for form. So let me just search it, and as you can see, there are plenty of plugins available for form. So if you install these plugins, you can have form on your WordPress website. But we'll be searching for a particular plugin called Elementor. We'll be using this particular plugin to create custom pages on our website, and I will be creating all the pages and all the tutorials with this particular plugin only, so I will recommend you to install it. And activate. There are a bunch of plugins which are pre-installed, but I will recommend that you delete these plugins. So simply click on delete and hit OK. I'll be creating the custom pages using only these two plugins, but let me just show you something really cool. Go to run this setup wizard and click on get started. Here you can see we have various demos which are available with this particular theme. So I'll be installing this particular demo. You can see it's a blog, and you can get this particular demo with a few simple clicks. So you can get such amazing blog, and it's pretty easy. Let me just show you. If you select this particular demo and scroll down, simply click on install demo. Here it's asking for some more plugins to provide custom functionalities, so simply click on install now. As you can see, the demo is now imported, and we have some customization options. So I don't have a logo actually, so I'll be using this particular logo. In the site title, I'll be naming it my blog, and in the tagline I will just let it be. So coming to the site icon, site icon is basically this particular small icon which is available on every website. Let me just show you. If you go to Google, you can see they have this icon as well. So Some people also call it favicon, so do remember that. I'm not touching these settings because I'll be creating a custom page and not importing any demo. So let me just click on continue and visit our website. So you can see if you click on visit our website and we have successfully imported the demo. You can make changes on this and you can start your blog right now. So as you can, that's pretty easy actually. You have created a blog in just a few clicks, so you can edit this particular post or you can add more posts like media pages, etc. It's a good design, but we'll be designing our own blog and an own theme, so we're not gonna use these. But I do recommend that you play with these demos, and if you mess up something, let me just show you one more plugin. So if you mess up something, this plugin can help. It's WP reset. So simply install this plugin. So if you mess up something or if you have no idea what you have done, you can simply use this plugin to reset the entire WordPress and it will go back to the original state in which we started this particular video. Let me just show you. Open the WP reset tools, scroll down. Here you can see it, it's asking us to type reset and we have a reset site option just right next to it. So if you click on it, it will reset our entire installation. So you can play with all the demos and you can simply hit reset every time if you have any trouble or any kind of issues. So that's it for this video, and if you have any doubts or if you have anything to ask, you can drop down in the comments below, and in the next video we'll be creating a custom page using the Elementor plugin. So make sure to subscribe and I will catch you guys in the next video.